I know there's been a lot of chatter and skepticism around NIO's decision to push forward a new brand, ONVO, especially when industry giants like Tesla haven't even ventured into the new brand, sub-brand territory. How can NIO do this? But let me break it down for you and shed some light on why this move by NIO could be a game changer. Hi, my friend, I'm Sheila Wang. I'm here to provide the latest and cutting-edge fresh business information for you. So don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe my channel. And I also welcome you to join the discussion below in the comment section. And if you're interested in a more in-depth investing report, please check my analysis report. Now, let's dive into today's topic together. Firstly, let's dive into what ONVO actually is. ONVO is NIO's second brand, and their first model, the L60, was officially unveiled on May 15th this year. The starting price for the L60 is very competitive. It's only 290,900 yuan. And when you factor in the 2,000 yuan deposit, the effective starting price is just 250,900 yuan. Now, compare that to the Tesla Model Y rear-wheel drive version, which is priced at 244,000 yuan. That's a sweet 35,000 yuan gap in favor of the ONVO L60. But let's get even better. If you consider NIO's battery as a service system, the ONVO L60 with the battery rental option will have starting price of around 160,000 to 170,000 yuan. The feedback from the ONVO L60 launch has been incredibly positive. The company president even described the response as far exceeding expectations, with a lot of people putting down the 2,000 yuan deposit. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why is NIO doing this when Tesla industry leader hasn't even ventured into the sub-brand territory yet? Okay, well, my fellow investors, NIO is taking a calculated risk, and they might just have the secret sauce to pull it off. You see, NIO's strategy is to offer a more affordable option for consumers who may not be able to stretch all the way to a new branded vehicle. By creating ONVO, they're tapping into a whole new market segment that could significantly expand their customer base. And let's not forget, NIO has been absolutely crushing it in terms of sales. With a reported 200,000 vehicles delivered last year, they are clearly doing something right. And this ONVO move could be the next chapter in their success story. And why ONVO is a game changer for NIO? You see, one of NIO's biggest challenges have been the insane amount of money they've had to pour into R&D. Over $43 billion over the past 7 years. That's a massive burden that really weighs them down. But here's where ONVO steps in to seize the day. The L60 model is built on a lot of same technologies that NIO has already developed, like the NT3 platform and the autonomous driving smarts. So ONVO doesn't have to reinvent the wheel. They can just piggyback off all that R&D and NIO has already done. That's gonna save NIO a cool $6 billion per year. And it's not just the R&D cost either. The L60 is going to be produced right in NIO's own factory in Hefei province. So that means they don't have to worry about all the overhead and depreciation of an idle factory. Another huge win, right? And get this, ONVO can tap into NIO's network of over 1,000 battery swap stations. That's like a $1 billion in saving right there that NIO doesn't have to spend building out their own infrastructure. Oh, so we can see ONVO's just cruising right on through. And if the L60 can hit that 20,000 units per month target, it's going to be a total game changer for NIO's bottom line. What's more, I believe that ONVO can do the same thing with the new ES6 too. Get those monthly sales up to 30,000 or 40,000 vehicles. I think it's no problem. But it's clear that NIO doesn't want to do that. They know that building a true luxury brand from scratch is just an uphill battle. I mean, the established luxury brands like Mercedes, BMW, and Audi has over 100 years of history and stories to tell. As a newer Chinese automaker, NIO is fighting an uphill climb to try to reach the top. They've certainly tried, debuting with the crazy AP9 supercar to establish the performance, launching student racing teams, setting up user trust funds and sustainability initiatives, spending tons of money trying to make NIO aspirational luxury brand. They did a lot. And to some degree, they've succeeded. So, 300,000 RMB is K's psychological price point. Once you start dipping below that, it really hurts a premium brand image they worked so hard to create, right? Well, here I would like to insert a particularly informative advertisement for all of you to do investment. Thinking Alpha has recently come out with a particularly good use of function that is investing group. Join this group, you will be able to see a lot of professional analysts to establish the group. In the group, you can not only see the wonderful and deep analysis content, but also in-depth interaction, great and insightful analytical content, and deep interaction with those people who invest the same stocks with you. All in all, a great community to make your investing less lonely. As a reminder, my audience will receive a 20% discount on investing group memberships. Give it a try if you're interested in it. Can the ONVO L60 make it? Now that NIO has entrusted ONVO with the responsibility of sales, can ONVO's first model, the L60, make it? Personally, I think it definitely can. By make it, I mean hitting a monthly sales volume of over 150,000 units once production ramps up. There are 3 reasons why I believe that L60 can do it. From the price, product capabilities, and the brand itself. Firstly, let's talk about the price. The pre-sales price of L60 is 250,900 RMB, which is 35,000 RMB cheaper than Tesla Model 1. And when it officially launches, the L60 will support BAS battery as a service, which can lower the entry price by a few more thousand. So on the pricing front, the ONVO L60 is looking really competitive, right? Now let's dive into the production capabilities. And I'd say it completely crushed the Model Y in terms of product strengths. When we talk about the space, the demo showed 2 183cm tall men comfortably sitting cross-legged in both the front and the rear seats. The front handroom and rear knee room are all clearly better than the Model Y. And in terms of the overall dimensions, the L60 is a bit bigger than the Model Y. When there's energy efficiency, which Tesla is so proud of, the L60 has an energy consumption like this, better than the Model Y's this. This is thanks to ONVO's electric drive system, which has a CLTC combined efficiency of 92.3%. And L60 also has a lower drag coefficient of 0.229 versus Model Y's 0.23. On the crucial metric of range, the L60, with its 60-degree battery pack, has a CLTC range of 555 kilometers, similar to the Model Y's RWD's 554 kilometers. But the game changer is that L60 supports battery swapping. Battery swapping means that you can charge faster than the refueling gas, and eliminates the fear of battery degradation that plagues many EV owners. Replacing the Model Y's entire battery pack costs a whopping 130,000 RMB with out of reach for more people. The L60 also has other advantages over the Model Y. So in terms of both price and product capability, ONVO L60 is clearly a step ahead of the Model Y. The last piece is brand power. Tesla definitely has a very face-based brand advantage, but the brand hatched by NIO is no slouch either. Given the L60's crushing superiority in price and features, I don't think it's unreasonable for it to capture half of the Model Y's market share in China. Tesla sold 456,000 Model Ys in China in 2023. If the L6 can sell 240,000 units per year or 200,000 per month, that would be very reasonable. In summary, NIO's decision to launch the ONVO brand was very wise, and in the 4 months when the L60 officially hits the market, it will prove itself to the world. So let's open our eyes and wait for ONVO L60. That's all for today. See you next time, my friend.